Shopify Starter Plan Review Pros and Cons. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into Shopify's Startup Plan, the perfect entry point for your e-commerce journey. If you're considering stepping to the world of Shopify, we've got you covered. Check out the link down below in the description for more information and an exclusive deal, a free trial followed by 3 months for just $1. Regardless of the plan you choose. Now, let's explore what sets the basic Shopify and advanced Shopify plans apart. For the basic Shopify, it is for individuals and small businesses. It supports basic reports, supports up to 1,000 inventory locations, and includes 2 staff accounts. For Shopify, it is ideal for small businesses. It provides more professional reports, up to 1,000 inventory locations, and includes 5 staff accounts. And for the advanced Shopify, it is for the medium to large businesses. It allows up to 15 staff accounts. It has custom report builder and 1,000 inventory locations. Now, let's shift our focus to the star of the show, the Shopify Startup Plan. It is incredibly affordable at just $5 a month. And remember, you'll get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1. And here's what you can expect from this plan. Apart from that, there are alternative solutions for your business such as the starter, the retail, the commerce components, and Shopify Plus. It has different features, but we are focusing more on starter. Here are the Shopify Startup Plan highlights. It is extremely budget-friendly, making it perfect for newcomers. Comes with a free trial, followed by 3 months for just $1. It is an easy, no-code setup, perfect for sharing products across social. Setting up your store is a breeze. Simply add product photos and descriptions and you're good to go. Effortlessly sell your products on social media platforms such as Instagram and WhatsApp. All transactions are seamlessly handled through Shopify's checkout. Monetize your Instagram bio by directing your followers to your top products. Create a link pub in minutes to drive your followers to key products or content, all without the need for coding or complex setup. Now, let's dive into the process of setting up a link pub with Shopify. A fantastic feature for claiming a URL to sell your products. To begin, click this link and put your name. With this, you can turn your followers into customers through your social bio with a link pop. It is a free, customizable link in bio tool powered by Shopify. And then you need to create a Shopify ID. It is a quick and straightforward process that takes less than 2 minutes. Then, to complete your profile by adding a photo, a catchy profile name, and a description. And now we can add a profile page URL. It is the link you use for your link pop profile that can be used in your social bio. This cannot be changed after creation, so be mindful. So you need to add a profile photo, for example, then the profile name and the description, then create profile. You can customize your style bio to match your brand by editing the style, the color, shape, the card shape, the text, also the bio. Start adding products, media links, and affiliate product links here. And now you can click publish. And now your link pop is all ready to use. And you're on your way to effortlessly earning more money. In addition to link pop, you gain access to order management, analytics, and top-notch customer support, ensuring you have all the tools you need to succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to embark on your Shopify journey with the Startup Plan. It is the perfect blend of simplicity and power. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more enlightening content. Until next time!